Hello everybody, I'm going to show you today how to turn in an assignment. There's a practice one before Monday starts that you can do. There's a couple ways you can get to your assignment. If you're on the stream tab, then you can see the assignment icons that look like this. You can click on there. You can also go to classroom work, and it has all of your assignments kind of separated out, like the Try It Out for Fun. Here it is for Fun Friday, and it actually has the due date. Due date information is also going to be sent to parents. So if you're wondering what that means, you can ask your parents. And the last way that I kind of almost like the best is over here with the little hamburger looking dude and go into a to-do list. It's kind of like our X folder in the classroom. The to-do, obviously you need to do, so it's kind of like your X side. And this account needs to do the Fun Friday one. On the Done tab, it's kind of like your check side of your X folder. This one's already been finished. I could check on this and see if Ms. Drews has commented back or asked me a question about that, just like anything else I would turn in. I could see my grade and things like that. So I'm going to go back to the to-do and click on the assignment for today. And it's going to take me to the assignment with the directions. I would need to read the directions. I'm not going to do that in the video right now, so it's not hopefully too long. But a couple things to point out. If you read these directions, kind of like we were at carpet and you still have a question, you can go to where it says add class comment and type something in and click send. Like, again, that's kind of like you were at carpet and you want everybody to see that and you're okay with asking it in front of everybody. And then I will eventually, it might take a couple minutes, I'll eventually answer that back here. If it's a question that you only want me to see, then you go to the private comments over here, private meaning just between me and you, kind of like if me and you were talking at the back table and you didn't want anybody else to hear. So you could type those in and send it to me too, and then I could answer back over on this side conversation. So once I kind of know what I'm going to do in my assignment, I'm going to go to add or create. And on this one, from the directions, it tells me go into drawings. Now I'm not going to click on this because I don't want this student's account that I'm borrowing. I want them to be able to do it today. So pretend I clicked on drawings, and then it's going to send me to a drawing. Now, the drawing that you're going to try out today is really different than our seesaw. It's not going to be as easy, but you might make it a lot more easier than I think. So there's lots of things that I can insert. Remember, that means put it in. I can insert, something to take a picture of. I could find something that's already saved on my computer. Lots of different ways. I can do a text box and type something. I could do shapes. I'm going to try that out today. There's lots of kind of things you can just play around with today. So if I wanted to do, let's do a quick basic house. I'm going to click and drag to make my bottom. Oh, I don't like that color, so I'm going to go up here and change my color. So I can just kind of move around and have some fun with this today and just try it out, because there might be some times when I want to use this for my assignment. So let's pretend this is all done. Of course, yours is going to look way better than mine. Remember, in Google, anything, Google Drawings, Google Documents, Google Slides, it saves it for you automatically. So you could click out of this. And when you come here, now remember, I didn't really click add on this one, but when you come back here, you'll see a little icon that looks like whatever you picked, like drawings, and it'll have your name right there. And then you would click mark as done. I'm not going to do that since this is somebody's account. But if you want to double check after you click mark as done that you turn it in, you can go back to that hamburger and kind of go to your to-do list, and it will move it to the done if you actually clicked it. So hopefully that helps out. Let me know if you have any questions, and have fun.